today on the Crex OCM video blog, I want to talk about how very early in my career I gained an enormous amount of empathy for control room operators. So very early on, I worked in pulp and paper, and I worked developing a predictive algorithm for the control of a wastewater treatment plant. So, very interesting work, developed some really cool stuff. And when we finally got it nailed and got it dialed, I remember going into the control room operator's room, and Steve, who was the guy on shift that day, Steve's like, "Hey, Vicky," he's like, "check this out, it's working." And it brought me so much joy to see how some working control systems really empowered a person who was on the front lines, who their day-to-day interactions directly impact that asset and the performance of that business as a whole, right? He is very much on the edge of that entire asset. So then I progress on in my career, and I start working in oil and gas, and I'm a junior engineer for the Keystone pipeline. And at this point, I'm trying to convince the control room manager to just please let me have an opportunity to train as a control room operator on Keystone. And so I'm in Mark's office for what felt like the 1,000th time, and finally Mark goes, "Okay, Vicky, you can do it. You can train for the next 8 months, 1 day a week, 12-hour shifts. You're with shift 4. So I am just over the moon at that point, right? I'm so excited because I get to be at the front lines with these folks and really understand how it works. So I say to Mark, I'm like, "Mark, thank you so much. I'm not like other engineers. I need to know how this actually works in order for me to create value. And these folks, control room operators, they know how this actually works." So that led to me really understanding that all the automation effort that we do in heavy industry, it's not about the machines. And that seems to be where we're always very focused. It's actually about empowering the humans that operate the machines. It's the humans in the loop that need better tools to be able to operate these assets to increase the efficiency and the utilization of them. So that was really what the origin story of what really sparked my interest in control room automation and enabling control room operators and empowering them to automate the energy industry. So that's I guess where Crex OCM came from at the beginning of the day. So if you folks like this content, please like and subscribe below, and of course leave us some comments because we'd love to continue this discussion about how impactful control room operators are.